All right, good afternoon. My name is Hansy, aka the real OG Crypto. So let's go ahead and begin. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to, at the end, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to look up a smart contract address, ERC20 token on the using Etherscan or Blockchain, and then be able to import and add that custom token to the Atomic Wallet desktop application. Which is what I've downloaded here on my computer, and I've opened it up. So let's go ahead and begin. I'm going to go ahead and create a wallet first. I've already created one in the past, but it doesn't matter. Let's go ahead and create a new one. And the one that I created in the past is empty anyways. This is going to be empty too. So let's set the password. Great. Okay, so then it loads all of the wallets on the crypto market. So, Waves, Neo, Ethereum, uh, Ravencoin, Digibyte, Bitcoin, um, all these other wallets, right? Or tokens. So now here, what we're going to do is write down this 12-word backup phrase, right? Submit, penalty, party, hawk. We're going to copy this to a clipboard, paste this. For now, I'm just going to use a notepad, paste that in there, minimize this. Okay, so once I've backed that up, and what you want to do with this, you want to manually put this somewhere, write it down somewhere, hide it, or carve it, I don't know, on a tree or some metal plaque or something like that. Okay, so we're going to open the wallet, and here, this will show you the list of coins, tokens available to buy, and you can buy these. What I recommend is buy crypto first, maybe like Ethereum. So I think the minimum purchase here is like $50. So you can convert it to Bitcoin, or if you want to buy Ethereum or XRP or Litecoin, I'm going to go ahead and buy Ethereum because what you need is most of these coins are Ethereum, ERC20 tokens. So to move them around to other wallets, you're going to need some Ethereum to pay for the gas fees because the mining equipment uses emissions. So you got to pay for that. There's miner fees. So we're going to go hit next. This is just to buy crypto, right? So here's where you'll enter your credit card, your Visa information, or MasterCard, whatever, all that good stuff. And then once you do that, submit the order. Um, and then once you submit it, you should see a balance. If successful, you'll see a balance here. Your Ethereum balance would show up here and the value of it. Okay, so now what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add some ERC20 tokens that you probably never heard before. But one of those tokens is Beat Conductors, BKTZ token. So I'm going to do that by going to blockchair.com, or you can use etherscan.io. Here you can look up, this is like a blockchain explorer. You can look it up by address or hash or smart contract. So I'm going to go ahead and use blockchair just because I can find almost any coin on this website here. So let me go ahead and it's already autofilled. Hit search. Here we go. One result. So this is it right here. 13 transactions in the last month. And the cool thing about this ledger is that you can actually see all the transactions, the source and destination. So from this wallet address to this wallet address here, and so forth, the timestamp. Here's how many BKTZ are in total circulation. And here is the smart contract address. You're going to want to copy and paste this right under the description here, B connectors. And this is a pretty cool project. It's I don't think they've published much information, but they have a huge following, and they're going to be doing an audio video NFT streaming service. type of deal. So very excited to hear some of that. What that's what all that's about. I'm gonna actually join the token airdrop soon, and this is why one of the reasons why I'm doing this, to be honest with you. So I'm gonna copy the address here. Then we're gonna go back to the Atomic wallet down here, and we're gonna go to the top right here, click on this little plus sign, and this right here says your Ethereum address. So this is your you can give this address out, or you can have somebody scan your QR code to pay you directly into this wallet if they're using Atomic Wallet as well. It's a lot easier. It's almost instant, like maybe a minute or so, maybe less than that. So we're gonna add this. Actually, it might have been like 3 seconds to be honest with you when I received funds from another Atomic Wallet. So it says here. So if we know the contract address, then added by contract here, we're gonna paste that address that we pasted earlier, and boom, you see how it automatically fills in the rest of the name, the ticker, BKTZ, and the decimals. So then you click Add Token. Successfully added the token. Go back to the wallet here, to the coin list, and then it should appear at the very bottom, if I'm not mistaken. Um, oh, here we go. Let me get this banner out of the way. Here we go. So be connected. So I currently have zero balance, zero value, but what I need to do is give them my bconnectors BKTZ address, right, to receive tokens. So I'm going to copy this address right here, copy that address, and then I'm going to send that over to them to receive some tokens once they do the airdrop. And that's pretty much it. You can also, add a bunch of other ERC20 tokens. Matter of fact, if you'd like to, let me get you another example here. So um, let's see here, hex. Let's try the hex token here. I think I've already added it, but here we go. So the hex token, try this out. And here's the smart contract address for this. Okay, so let's go back to Atomic Wallet. Let's go back and add, hit the little add button, add by contract, paste the contract address here. Oh, already exists. Oh, okay. So that means it is the legit hex token, and that hex should be listed on here. Let's look it up. Yep, there it is right there. So this is the hex coin, and here's my hex address right here. If I want to, have anybody send me any hex coins, I'd copy this and send it to them, and vice versa. They'll give you their hex address if you want to send them hex. All right, so that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Real OG Crypto, subscribe.